Is there a risk of overflow when using the soap method for clearing drains? The soap method can work well for minor clogs when used carefully and with the right technique. Start by removing any standing water until the level is low enough that added liquid will not rise over the fixture rim. Use a viscous liquid soap or a concentrated dish soap because it coats and lubricates the pipe walls, helping to loosen grime and grease that trap debris. Warm but not boiling water is best because very hot water can soften some older plastic plumbing fittings and expand seals, and lukewarm water may not dissolve grease effectively. Pour the soap slowly and steadily, about a quarter cup at a time for a kitchen sink or a few tablespoons for a lavatory sink, and wait a few minutes between pours so the level settles and you can watch for rising water. If you have a plunger, alternate gentle plunging with soap application to increase shear force on the clog while keeping pressure controlled. Do not create strong vacuum pulls that can splash. If the fixture is a tub or a toilet, never add large volumes quickly because these basins have limited overflow protection and water can back up. For toilets, use only small amounts and consider calling a plumber if the bowl remains high. Common mistakes are pouring soap or water too quickly, which lets the level surge and risk overflow, so pour slowly and monitor continuously. Another issue is assuming soap alone will clear a firm obstruction like a solid mass or a foreign object, in which case stop and schedule professional service instead of forcing more fluids that can create a bigger mess. A third frequent problem is using boiling water or caustic combinations with soap, which can damage seals or pipes. Stick to warm water and avoid mixing household chemicals. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects, making it easier for us to find local professionals and for contractors to find work. We also host a discussion community where users share experiences, tips, and local recommendations related to plumbing and safety.